We'll guide you through how to download and install OptiFabric in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. OptiFabric is super useful as it allows you to go and run Optifine in Fabric. So to go and get started, let's come and quit out of Minecraft. What you need to do is now go and open up a web browser like so, and we need to go and get OptiFabric. So type it in, OptiFabric like so. And you want to come to CurseForge, it's where I get my mods from. Now you can go down here and read through the description. I'll be covering most of this in the video though. Go and click on files and here we are. So you can now go and see a few different options here. The main thing to note here is the different game versions and the version itself. In this case, I want to go and get the most up-to-date version, which is this top one here, and it goes and supports up to 1.20.4. I'll come over to the right, I'll click on the three dots and click on download file, like so. Wait for this to go and start downloading and finish, it shouldn't take too long. Now what we need to do is go and get Optifine. So we can come back to our search here, and we want to go and search for Optifine like so, and come to the official Optifine site. Go to the top and tap on downloads. It's really important you get the same version of Optifine as you got OptiFabric in. For me, I got it at 1.20.4, so let's click on show all versions. We can then go and find it here and we can go and click on download, like so. You'll be brought to an ad wall. Just be aware if there's a download button here, it's for the ad, it's not for Optifine. You need to go and click on the skip button in the top right, like so, and you'll be brought here. We can click on download and it will then go and start. Now, what we need to do is go and get Fabric. So if I come back to Google here, we can go and search for it like so. We'll add in Minecraft as well. Come to the official site, fabricmc.net. You want to click on download at the top and click on download for Windows. Before we start the install process, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. They've got so many awesome features as well. For example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, so you can go and get help anytime you need it, as well as many other awesome features as well. So as I said, if you're interested, there'll be a link down below which you can go and check out. Now to go and start installing it. So you need to come down and open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. Now, what we need to do is start off by running the Fabric installer. Double click it like so, and it should go and run. Now, for the Minecraft version, we need to run it for the version that we got Optifine and OptiFabric for, which in my case was 1.20.4. Then go and click install, and we've now gone and installed it. Now that you've done that, we need to go and open up Minecraft like so, or more specifically, the launcher. In the launcher, go to the top and click on installations and scroll down until you can go and find Fabric Loader. In this case, we got this one here, and click on the file or folder icon to the right. Now you want to scroll down here until you see the mods folder. What you want to do is go into here. If you don't have one, you can create one yourself. Now what we need to do is go and add in the mods here. So what I'm going to do is go and open up my other file explorer, and I'll go and drag and drop them in just like so. And what you can do is in the launcher is you can then find Fabric Loader, go over to the right while hovering over it and click on play. You can understand the risks and press play again and it will start. I've just gone and got into a world. If I press C, we can go and zoom in. If I pause the game, I can click on options, then video settings, and you'll go and see Optifine and Optifine's features as well, like shaders, details, etc.